Welcome back. It's Friday. That means it's time to close out the week with our own Shannon Becker and the big three stories.
Yes, live and local. What's happening? Breaking news. We're out and about. Number 3 this week. Joplin News First. It was yesterday before noon. We heard from tipsters that there was a shooting at the Riverbend Casino in Wyandotte. We got their confirmed information with the FBI and the OSBI. They are investigating an officer-involved shooting. Officer fired his duty weapon after the person, not been identified yet, had brandished a weapon. That's the word they actually used. Not known what type of weapon necessarily.
This was not in the casino, it was in the parking lot.
It was in the parking lot towards a service entrance behind it. Now, they remained open all day yesterday. They're still open today, so it didn't necessarily disrupt their business day, but we still have a lot to learn about what occurred. Don't even know the status of that person, but FBI, OSBI are investigating. Our number 2 story, Joplin News First, live and local, and what's happening where you live.
Oh, a fire.
Oh my gosh, I was just saying, I didn't even have my list out here.
The Outrigger Motel.
The Outrigger Motel. I'm so sorry. I always have my list. The Outrigger Motel. It was late over the weekend. The Outrigger Motel, which is in Grove, it caught fire and burned, sadly displacing a lot of people. A lot of people were using the hotel over the past couple of years as a residence, especially in the winter time. So it's an unknown number of people that were displaced. The thing about the construction of the motel as such, the attic space, firefighters explained to me, is a shared space. So the fire could spread easily. Like, let's say one room caught fire, then that smoke and water damage could be throughout the entire roof.
So are there more people there in the winter than during the summer?
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of that transitional living.
Long
sort
term.
of, yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it kind of happens. That's the reality that's being real about it. Unknown on the status necessarily of the cause of the fire, the Oklahoma State Fire Marshal is still investigating. Our number 1 story, we were there, slick road conditions on I-49. 2 tractor trailers went off the overpass of US 60. So they were on I-49 and crashed down below onto US 60. They said, both of them said to avoid crashing into other vehicles. Bridges ice first. I know I heard that for years and years until you really understand that cold air up underneath the asphalt of a bridge.
Worst place to hit your brakes.
Exactly. Or you just get squirrely and then off you go. No one suffered life-threatening injuries, all non-life-threatening injuries in that major crash. And then our bonus story of the week, Neo Show, tomorrow from 10 until 5. It's the Art Con, and it's our bonus story. It's really a neat event. Have you heard of Comic-Cons they do all over the country? Well, this is kind of our local one. Neo Show works really hard on this. You can dress up tomorrow, cosplay. They've got esports. They've got cash prizes. So whether or not you're from Neo Show,
Fox 14 are sponsoring.
We're sponsoring it tomorrow. So look for it. They've got panels. Get out there. It'll be fun. We'll be there as well. That's our bonus story. KOAM News Now, Joplin News First.
All right. Well,
I always have my list. I can't believe I didn't have my list.
that's why we have it on the prompter too.
I'm good at this. I'm really good. I'm just kidding.
Well, we enjoy keeping you busy and seeing what you have bring to us every day. So,
I'll be out there today. All right.
On the road, on the move.
Yep.
All right. Thank you so much, Shannon Becker. We'll be right back.